Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to go over this quick video with you tonight. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I do want to go over a few things with you, and at the end of this video, if you could possibly give some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over today with you are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that is on your front page here, any words that you use, photos that you use, how those photos are saved and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. And I can say you have quite a bit of content here, which is definitely really good. Because Google does recommend at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you now want to be able to add in the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that's going to be a big help for you. Now, I did go ahead and put your website in here into a service that we use for analytics. Now, I'm not sure, I've never done one with a Wix website, so I'm wondering if that's what's going on here, because you have a very good DR, which is trust with Google, and then there's nothing ranking yet for strength. The other thing is there's no keywords or backlinks. So these are definitely things that we want to figure out and be able to bring together to be able to get all that strength and that trust working together and that relevance for your website. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links are going to act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are spammy and some of them are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, and that's going to bring that power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to a different website over here. So with all this coming together, what you're going to be able to do is you want to get on this front page here and in this Google Map pack. This is the most important place to be because once you're here, when people are looking for your services in your area, these are the websites that they're going to go to first because they're the ones that pop up. So those are the businesses that they're going to check out most likely first. So the goal is to definitely get you ranking up in these businesses up here. Also down here in the organic section, you want to be able to be brought up on Google so people can find you. So another thing you want to be able to do is when it comes to your Google business profile, they do give you an About Us section. You want to fill that section out. It has 750 words. So you want to completely fill it out about your business. But in that section, you also want to take keywords and utilize them in that section. Now, you also want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. And then when it comes to social media, make sure you're posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's also going to help with your relevance. So another thing you want to also do is called citations. So this is where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like, let's say, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List. The idea is to get your information to as many people as possible. That's going to increase your relevance, and then it also helps with your website. Now, like I said, I pulled up this competitor here and was able to look at their website. They have some good content and photos and everything on here as well. And I pulled up their analytics showing their strength and their trust here. Now, they have 826 backlinks coming from 94 domains. So they have 94 other websites utilizing these backlinks. So the idea is to be able to find their backlinks, utilize their backlinks, find the ones that are more authoritative, but we also want to get you more backlinks than your competitors. Now, another thing is we're able to take a look at the keywords. Now we want to be able to find buyer intent keywords in your area like general contractor, Lexington, Kentucky, things like that is what we call a buyer intent keyword. So we want to go through your competitors and be able to find these keywords. So those are keywords that we could definitely utilize into your website as well. So once those all come together, it's definitely going to be a huge help to bring that relevance to your website. But that's all I got for you tonight, and I want to say thank you for allowing me to take the time to make this video. I am going to send this over with my information, so you'll also have my phone number and my email on there. Please feel free to reach out anytime if you have any questions, and I appreciate your time once again. Thank you.